In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and let me show you how to change screen colors on the following device. So first of all, just open the settings, then go to developer options. If you cannot find developer mode right here, just take a look at our tutorial on how to activate developer options. Then tap on developer mode, scroll down and select simulate color space right here. And now you can pick the mode that you would like to apply, so let me show you how it works. You can see the difference right here, so we've got monochrome, see, then red-green, different option of red-green and blue-yellow. And you can use your device in whichever mode you like. Then if you want to disable it, just select disabled and now you're in default mode. So that would be all, this is it. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.